Conductor wire ABCDE with each arm 10 centimeters in length is placed in magnetic field of 1 by root 2 Tesla perpendicular to its plane. When conductor is pulled towards right with a constant velocity of 10 centimeter per second, induced EMF between points A and E is dash millivolts, where given data is length is given in 10 centimeters. So centimeters convert into meters, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. So magnetic field B is given 1 by root 2 Tesla. Velocity is also given 10 centimeter per second. So it is also converted into meters, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second. Now we have to find induced EMF between points A and E. So this induced EMF we have to find. So but to find induced EMF, formula for induced EMF E is equal to PLV. We don't know L value here. So to find L value, I am considering a line in between the B and D. So a midpoint is assumed as point P. So this total angle is 90 degrees. Now the angle between PCB becomes 45 degrees. If the total angle is 90 degrees, then the half of the angle PCB is becomes as 45 degrees. Now where theta is equal to 45 degrees. From triangle PCB sine 45 degrees is equal to BP by BC, where L value is equal to, total value is equal to BP plus PD. So BP is equal to BC sine 45. So BC value is from the figure, BC value is 10 centimeters. 10 into sine 45 1 by root 2. So 10 by root 2. So if we clearly observe that from the figure, BP is equal to PD now. BP is equal to PD now. Why? Because both are same distance at point P. D is also same distance at point P. B is also same distance at the point P. So BP is equal to PD. So from this length, L is equal to 10 by root 2 plus 10 by root 2. So 2 into 10 by root 2. Now this is becomes as 10 into root 2 centimeters. So induced EMF E is equal to PLV. So B value is given 1 by root 2. L value is 10 root 2. So when it is converted into meters, 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Velocity is also 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay. So E is equal root 2 get cancelled here. 10 into 10, 100 into 10 to the power of minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So 10 square into 10 to the power of minus 4. It is a 10 power of minus 2. So now it is converted into millivolts. 10 by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volts. In millivolts, it will be written as 10 millivolts. E is equal. Next question. Two coils have mutual inductance 0.002 Henry. The current changes in the first coil according to the relation I is equal to I0 sin omega t, where maximum value of I0 is equal to 5 ohms. Omega, angular velocity omega is equal to 55 radians per second. The maximum value of EMF in the second coil is, we have to find the maximum value of EMF. So from the mutual inductance formula, we know that pi 2 is equal to mutual inductance M into I1. So from this m into I1, let us assume I0 sin omega t. Okay, so from the Faraday's second law, we know the formula E is equal to d pi by dt. So d by dt into m I0 sin omega t. So where m I0 is constant, m I0 is constant. So differentiation of sin omega t, m I0 sin omega t differentiation cos omega t differentiation omega. So m I0 omega cos omega t. Now the maximum value of EMF is becomes as this part, E is equal. So compare this equation with E0 sin omega t. So where maximum value E0 is equal to m I0 omega. M value is given 0.002 into I0 value 5, omega value 50 pi radians. So this value is 0.5 pi. After simplification we get E0 value 0.5 pi volts. Now third question, a square loop of side 10 centimeters. Side is given L is equal to 10 centimeters. So centimeters converted into meters. 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. Resistance is given 0.7 ohms. Vertically in east-west plane, a uniform magnetic field of 0.2 Tesla. Magnetic field B is given 0.2 Tesla. Set up across the plane in northeast direction. The magnetic field is decreased to 0 in 1 second at steady state rate. Then the magnitude of induced EMF is. So we know that here in the question mentioned northeast direction. So let us draw. It is assumed north, east, west, south. So this total angle is 90 degrees. In northeast means this one is the northeast. So in between the angle is 45 degrees. Total angle is 90 degrees, but in between the north and east, northeast 45 degrees. So where theta is equal to 45 degrees. So from the Faraday's second law, E is equal to d pi by dt. So d pi by dt means pi 2 minus pi 1 by t2 minus t1. So we know that formula pi is equal to b dot a. So b a cos theta pi 2. So b value is given 0.2. A value is not given, but area is equal to S square now. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square into cos 45. So 0.2 into 10 power of minus 1 whole square into 1 by root 2. So here power 1 is there now, 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So 0.2 10 power of minus 2 into 1 by root 2. So 2 by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 1 by root 2. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 1 by root 2. So now this one is becomes as root 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here we have find here pi 2. So pi 2 is final, we get pi 2. So now induce the EMF E is equal to d pi by dt na, d pi 2 means root 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by pi 1 is 0, by t2 means 1 minus t1 is 0. So root 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volts. So compared to x into root of x into 10 to the power of minus 3 in the question given, root 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So from this x is equal to 2, our answer. Next, fourth question. A horizontal straight wire 5 meters long. So length is given 5 meters. Extending from east to west, falling freely at right angles to horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. B is given magnetic field. This instantaneous value of EMF induced in the wire is, so we have to find here instantaneous value of induced EMF. So here the velocity is given 10 meter per second. So all are given in meters, so no need to convert to into meters. Why? Because there is not given in centimeters. Okay, so EMF equation formula is equal to PLV. So P value is given 0.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So L value is given 5. Velocity is given 10. So E is equal 6 by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 5 times of 58. So 0 0 get cancelled. Now E is equal 6 5s are 30 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So E is equal 3 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volts. So 3 millivolts.